Alright. No idea what I'm getting us into. I'm re-enabling the redeem. I don't know what this is going to do. What? Wait, what? Oh, it's milliseconds. It's milliseconds. Hang on, hang on, hang on. Whoa. How'd they do that? How? Hello? No, it's fine, really. I like looking over here. I mean, look at this gorgeous ice sculpture, you know? Beautiful. Milliseconds, maybe more milliseconds. Oh my god!
Get rotated, idiot.
Oh, I am the idiot and I got rotated. I really do not know how to stop this. If anybody knows how to stop this. I don't know how to stop. I'm not joking. I actually don't know how to stop spinning. Yes! No! I thought that did it. I might just have to restart the software. I cannot understand how you're supposed to. How are you supposed? Whoa! Washing machine spin cycle 12 hours. Did anyone bring any washing powder? Because it'd be an awful waste to do this spin. Oh! Please! Please put the soap in quick! Please! It's gonna be such a waste of electricity and water for you to put the soap in! As I'm really holding on for dear life here, please. Please, this is such a waste. We don't even have any soap. No soap, no hope, no nothing. It's speeding up now! Ah! May I have your attention, please? We're about to do something very serious.
Helicopter, helicopter! Paracopter, paracopter! I'm in pain. My ribs hurt so much. And I have no idea how to stop this. I might just have to restart the software.